Hi everyone. So today I'm going to share you which laptop you should purchase for coding purpose. So if you are a student of computer science engineering and if you are someone uh, who is searching for a laptop in a range of 20,000 to 30,000, so this video is for you. I am a person who is working on the laptop since last 4 years, so I have a good experience of how these things work, as well as this video is dedicated to those students. So this video is dedicated to students who wants to code and who is searching for a laptop which helps them to do coding, nothing else. If you have any other requirements, and if you have some other fantasy like you want to do video editing and all kind of stuff, so do comment, I'll make another video. But this video is dedicated to all the students who wants to do coding only, who is preparing for jobs and interview, and you want someone who will guide you that how much memory should be in your laptop, how much RAM should be in your laptop to run multiple programs, to store the program in your devices, how should be the display or how should be the screen size, and how should there are different types of screens as well available in the market, like full HD, HD. So what are these things? And the most important thing is storage. That how many images, how many videos you can store, how many programs you can store in your laptops. So there are many things that you are doing with your laptops, but majorly what you will going to do, you will watch many videos on YouTube. So the main purpose of student to purchase a laptop is a big screen, and I know you have some reason, and one of them is a big screen, because we are watching lessons or tutorials from our mobiles, but it is very it is not healthy for our eyes. So the main reason behind purchasing laptop is uh, watching lectures on the laptop, which is a big screen. So this is the first reason. Then another reason is coding is not possible and in a good way in mobile. So the second reason is coding. So I am addressing these 2 points very deeply in this video. Let's go and let's see the first laptop that I am going to suggest you, and I'll tell you all the things why I'm suggesting you this laptop and why not. So our first laptop is Lenovo with 15 Intel, and this is the name of the website, the laptop. Okay, so it is a 15.6 inches laptop, and it is a FSD. So let me tell you the meaning of FSD. FSD means full HD. Okay, so what does it mean? So basically, when you are working on the laptop, if you have a screen, is if your laptop has a screen which is full HD, that means it is good for your eyes. You can whenever you see any laptops, any screen from the not from the center, if you are sitting besides your laptop and you are seeing the laptop screen, so it is not clearly visible. So this is the main reason why one should refer FSD, which is full HD. And you can see there are anti-glare to 15, there are lots of things, thin and laptop. Okay, so the main thing is here full HD. Now second is 8 GB RAM. So if your purpose is only coding, 8 GB RAM is sufficient for you, because RAM is helpful to run programs on our laptop. So I am also telling you how these things work. So whenever, like you can see, I have opened, you can 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I open 8 tabs on my laptop. That means behind the scene the process related to 8 tabs are executed in the CPU processors. Okay, so all this data are now in the RAM. All this data in store right now in the RAM. So basically, this data come from the uh, you can say secondary storage, which is this, and at the time of execution, it gets the data from the secondary storage. Okay, there are lots of things. Don't worry about it. But if you add GB RAM, then it is good for doing multiple multitasking in your laptop. Now let's come to the second major point of this video, which is storage. So if your device has 256 GB SSD, so let's break down this word 256 GB SSD. So 256 GB, it is in size of storage. And what does it refer SSD? So there are two types of high storage device. First is SSD and second is SDD. So if you're purchasing a laptop which has SSD, so your laptop will switch on fast, switch off fast. Your laptop will work faster. So this is the main advantage of an SSD, and I would recommend you to go with SSD. But there is one thing as well, that you can say SSD is costly than SDD. If you are purchasing a laptop which has SDD, then you are getting more space, more storage than SSD. But SSD helps your laptop to reboot fast, to start fast, to you can say resume fast. So it will enhance the efficiency of your laptop. In this way, purchase SSD. I hope you got the point. Now it comes with the Windows 11 Home and 1 year of on-site warranty as well, and 1.7 kg is the laptop weight. Okay, anything else? 7 days replacement, free delivery, warranty policy also is mentioned here. You can see 1 year on-site warranty is also added here, and there are so many things. But the most important thing is this storage part, 256 GB of SSD. Now you are thinking how many photos or how many images and videos you can store in this device. So I have just copied 256, okay, and I have pasted here. So you can see 256 is our memory size and it is in GB. So 256 GB. Now we are assuming that our operating system and other apps, so whatever the apps we install in our app, mm, desktop or laptop, so it will take 25 GB storage. So out of 256 GB, our operating system and other application will take 25 GB of storage. Okay, now we are assuming that our image size is 5 MB. So this is 5 and this is MB. It is an you and if you are not aware of what is MB, KB, so let me explain you first. So KB is the smallest unit of an file size. Like you clicked a photo, so your photo can be 1 KB, 1 MB, 1 GB, and 1 TB. So it is a file size. File size means it is your image size. So your image has some size, like 1 kg, 2 kg. You purchase any fruits and you purchase vegetables, so 1 kg. These are the units to measure the things. In the same way, in memory concept, there are terms KB, kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte. So you don't have to do anything with that. Basically, KB is the smallest unit. There are other units which is lesser than KB, but they are going from the KB, then MB, then GB, then TB. So our laptop has 256 GB, and we are assuming our operating system will take 25 GB out of it, and we are assuming one thing as well, that average image size is 5 MB. That means there are suppose 100 image in our laptop. So if we get the average, then their image size will be 5. That means one image size will be 5 MB. You can check with the details property in your image which is attached with your files. Okay, so you can see there. Now image size is 5 MB. If I click here check, so you can see after removing operating system size, that means this 25 GB, you can store 47,308 images in this laptop with 256 GB. You can store this much images. Now if you want to see you have 10 MB of images, so you just have to click here and you can see now you can store 23,654 images in your laptop, which is huge number. We are assuming you are just uh, you can say adding images in your laptop, but what if you are adding some videos as well, so you can check as well. So we are assuming that your video size is 10 MB. Okay, let's say 100 MB. Video size is 100 MB and image size is 10 MB. So if we click on check, then we are dividing the memory into half. So basically we are dividing this 256 after removing to 25 GB out of 256. We are dividing the memory size into half after removing the system, and the results are you can store 11,827 images and 100 sorry 1,182 videos of 100 MB. In this way you can also do the same things. This is a domain name 21 plus system. Actually I forget the sys, so s is not there, so pay attention here. You can just copy the link and I'll give the link in the description as well, so no need to worry about it. You can also come here. Okay, so this website is built by me. I have so I have built this website so that you also get to know how many images you can store in your laptops, and you can calculate all the things with this basic image and video calculator that I have created for you. So this is the first laptop that um, I have come in with, and the price is 22,850, which is quite less. Now let's move to the next laptop. We have ASUS Vivobook 15, which comes with Intel Celeron. Okay, forget it. 15.6 inches the laptop size, and it is SD. So it has SD, but okay. You can also see it has 8 GB RAM, which is same as the previous, but it has SD, and here we have full SD. Okay, so if it is giving SD, full SD, and it has price 22,000 and some monies. Okay, but it is providing SD. Now let's come to the storage. It has 512 GB of SSD, and it has only 256 GB of SSD. So the more SSD your laptop has, the more faster your laptop become. I hope you got the point. SSD is important. I know FSD is also important for your eyes, but you can wear glasses as well. And if your budget is this, then I recommend you to go with this laptop. And we have other laptops as well. So first watch the complete video and then make your decision. I'm not going to add any anything in your decision. You have to make the decision with your own. So basically, the more the SSD, the more your laptop will become faster. And this is the best laptop for you, I would say, because there are Windows 11 support, integrated graphics, and also a fingerprint. It is 1.8 GB, 8 KB. So its weight is 1.8 KB, and its price is 27,000. Now let's move to the HP laptop. So it is a notebook, and it has an AMD processor, AMD Ryzen processor, which is quite good for gaming purpose. But as the cost say, this laptop is not for gaming, so I would not recommend. But if you will install some game, you can run the games as well, but the game will not run efficiently as you think. It will show some lagging, so I don't recommend you to install any games. Your purpose is coding, so do code. You will not uh, getting any lag while coding. Can do code very easily. Here as well you are getting 512 GB of SSD, 8 GB of RAM, anti-glare SD laptop. So here one term is added, anti-glare SD. And also here numerical keypad is also attached, you can see here. So this is another advantage, but it is come with the AMD Ryzen graphics, and you can see 1 year of warranty. And it comes with the Windows 11 Pro operating system. Okay, now let's move to the next laptop. This is your next laptop. Okay, so it is a Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 1 laptop. Now it is 14-inch laptop, so screen size is less than the previous. It is also SD. It is thin and light laptop. It has 8 GB RAM to 56 GB as SDD. And 1 minute. Then Windows 11, 1 year plus warranty, 3 month Game Pass, cloud gray, and it is the, we can say, lightest laptop that I have shown you. So 1.3 kilogram laptop, and it is price 24,990 rupees. Now let's jump to the next laptop, which is Lenovo V15. And the laptop has 8 GB RAM, 12 15 GB SSD, Windows 11 lifetime validity, 15.6 FHD screen. Okay, yeah. So it is coming with all the features, that I have shown previously to you. So it has 8 GB RAM, it has 512 GB SSD along with Windows 11 lifetime validity 15.6 is the window size, which is quite big. Then it comes with the FHD screen and AMD Radeon 610M, and you can say it is a processor, and 1 year brand warranty. So you can easily compare that this is what we are searching for. So this is the best laptop. If you have budget, if you have budget of 24,990 rupees, I'll recommend this laptop to you. This is the recommendation from among all the laptops, but you are free because it is your money and I respect your money, so you can purchase any one of them laptop, and all the laptops are very good. And one thing you should keep in mind that for coding you don't need fancy laptops, fancy keyboard. You just need a laptop and you just need a code editor. And for coding, actually when we are purchasing laptop, we are not only purchasing laptop for coding. We want a good space so that we can store our images. We want space so that we can store videos files, and sometimes we want video editing, audio editing, so we are storing some, downloading some applications from the chromes. And there where our laptop has lagging the capacity because it has only limited 512 GB of SSD and 8 GB of RAM. And if you are trying to play game on it, then it become crucial for your laptop to handle all these things at a single time. Sometimes you are open multiple tabs, multiple application at the same time, and this become critical for your laptop. So that's why the more feature your laptop is, the more power a laptop become. Okay, so having said that, I would recommend you to purchase this laptop. 512 GB of SSD, Windows 11 lifetime validity 15.6, and it has FSD, which is full HD screen with the AMD Radeon, and 1 year of brand warranty. And you can use this website as well to calculate how many images you can store. This is live, and if you have time, do consider to subscribe to this channel. It would be a great help for me.